So hello traders, if you trade crypto then this video is very important. Look here in front of you, this is the long short map and today I will explain to you how to fully use it and strategy behind it. It's also very accurate for future scalping. On the top side you can see short closing and on the right side long entries. The website name is CoinGlass. Now let's talk about how to pick coins from this and trade on them. Look here. In the short closing section, the coins you see means that those coins were previously in short downtrend positions, but now the short trades have closed. That means you should be looking for buy opportunities in these coins. Okay, alright. From this section, the altcoins you see are the ones you should look to go long on, but only after doing your own analysis. I'll also show you on a live chart how to check this. If you look at one of these coins on the chart right, now we can see strong buying volume coming in the market starting to turn bullish. That means we might get a long trade here, but you should not enter directly. First, you need to analyze properly. Alright, so the top two section, left and right, will give you coins for long trades. Long entering means these coins are moving into long position. People are buying them more. And at bottom, red section give you short coins, meaning these are moving into shorts. Let me explain properly. Here you also have a time frame option, 50-minute time frame, 1 hour time frame, and 4 hour. In the simple words, look, it's very important to understand the time frame. Alright, now I will selected the 4 hour time frame and on this map, the maps coins showing here are the ones you can pick from swing trades or day trades. The process of longs and short remains the same. If you selected the 1 hour time frame, then you will see different coins here. Those that are being traded more in 1 hour time frame, either long or short. Similarly, in the 50-minute time frame, the map will show you coins suitable for scalping trades. Now here, a very important point. If you see any coins on this map in 50-minute time frame and want to trade it, first you need to check the direction of that coins long or short on this map. Then open the coins chart on trading view in the 5-minute time frame. Do your analysis there and only then take the trade. The method is same. On the upper green side, you only look for coins to go long by. On the lower red section, you only look for coins to go short. Okay, go short, sell. If you combine this with your own strategy, it will make coin selection and directions analysis much easier. And if you practice this properly, it can give you very accurate prediction. So like the video and subscribe to the channel because such content and secret tools are only explained by me on YouTube. Thanks for watching.